I'm Simon Offord. I've been in the dairy industry for roughly 30 years now. I was really attracted to come and work for Mona because of the way we're changing dairy. We're going to change the way that we look after farmers. There's a real difference in the way we manage the business here as well. We've got about 15 people in the team totally here at Mona at the moment, and that's engineers, technical, training, which is important obviously, HR. Training is really important, and I guess because we're a startup business, we're a new business, having that foundation where we can give everyone the opportunity to start with the training has been really helpful. I've actually sat through all of those courses. Being nominated for award, yeah, for sure, it shows that you're on the right track for your staff and you're looking after people, which again is part of the Mona, the ethos of the company is to work with people and improve people. No one wants to go to a business and not see a way forward or become trained or better at what they're doing. So for us, training is key. So if we're up for an award for training, even better.